I see you. Yes, you. The one sitting here with a restless heart, a restless body, and a restless mind. You are searching for freedom. You are searching for control. You are searching for the moment where you no longer bow to the whisper of lust. And listen to me closely. This battle you fight is not small. It is not meaningless. It is sacred. Because lust is not just a thought. It is energy. Energy that can either enslave you or transform you. When you waste it, you feel hollow. You feel weaker than before, emptier than before, more addicted than before. But when you master it, when you hold it in your hands and redirect it like a river, you become unstoppable. The universe has given you this fire, but you must decide if it will burn you or fuel you. So today I speak to you. I speak not with judgment, not with shame, but with truth. You have been caught in the trap before. Nights where you gave in, mornings where you woke up with regret. But even in that regret, there was always a whisper. You can rise again. You can destroy this. You can reclaim yourself. That whisper, that's me. That's the universe calling you back to your power. So, how do you destroy lust? How do you break its hold when it seems to own you? Listen carefully. I will give you not vague words, but real steps, and I will wrap them in fire so they burn into your memory. First, awareness. The moment lust knocks on your door, you must notice it. Do not pretend you are stronger than it. Do not deny it. See it for what it is, a surge of energy asking to be directed. Say to yourself, this is not me. This is energy. I will choose where it flows. Second, shift the body. Lust feeds on stillness, on idleness, on the quiet moments where your hands and eyes are free to wander. So move, do push-ups, go outside, breathe deep, hard, until your chest expands and your body is alive. Exercise is not just for strength, it is a sword against lust. When you sweat, lust has no place to live. Third, master your vision. Your eyes are gates, fragile and powerful. Guard them. Do not scroll endlessly through feeds that feed your hunger. Do not watch the images that trigger you. Be ruthless about what you allow in, because what enters your eyes becomes a seed in your mind, and seeds always grow. If you plant poison, you will harvest poison. If you plant clarity, you will harvest peace. Fourth, transmute the energy. This is the secret masters knew. Lust is not destroyed by suppression, but by transformation. When you feel the pull, take that energy and pour it into your art, your study, your work, your training. If your heart pounds with desire, let it pound into your dream instead. Do you know how many great works, how many inventions, how many revolutions were born because someone redirected lust into creation? That same force lives in you. Fifth, meditation and breath. When lust clouds the mind, return to your breath. Inhale slowly, hold it, exhale gently. Repeat until the storm in your head softens. Visualize the energy rising from your lower self up to your chest, up to your head, up into light. Feel it moving upward. Feel it no longer burning in shadows, but glowing in clarity. Sixth, fasting. Not just from food, but from stimulation. Too much of anything, screens, sugar, noise, makes you weak. When you practice fasting, you learn to sit with hunger and still remain strong. And in that discipline, lust loses its grip, because lust thrives on overstimulation. But when you live with less, you become more. Seventh purpose. This is the most powerful of all. Lust thrives in emptiness, in lives without vision. But you must anchor yourself in a mission greater than pleasure. Write down what you are chasing: a career, a dream, a body of strength, a spiritual goal, a legacy. When you are busy building, you have no time to bow. When you are climbing, you have no time to crawl. But hear me, even with all these steps, you will stumble. You will have moments where lust comes roaring, where you forget your tools. Do not collapse into shame. Shame is the soil lust loves most. Instead, rise, shake the dust, begin again. Because this is not a war you win in one day. This is a discipline you live for a lifetime. And every victory, every small no, is a brick laid in the fortress of your will. And soon, that fortress becomes unbreakable. I must also warn you, lust is patient. It waits in silence. It disguises itself as love, as beauty, as comfort. You must learn to see beyond its mask. True love is patient. Lust is frantic. True connection is gentle. Lust is greedy. Learn the difference, and your eyes will be free. And while you free your eyes, free your environment. Your room, your phone, your computer, cleanse them. Delete what tempts you. Block what drags you down. Create a space that reflects who you want to be, not who you are trying to leave behind. Because environment is not neutral. It is either lifting you or trapping you. Build an environment that whispers strength, not weakness. Now listen, there is a truth you must not forget. Lust cannot be killed by hatred. If you only fight it with anger, you will burn out. Lust is defeated by replacing it with something higher. If you do not fill the void with purpose, lust will return. So fill yourself daily with reading, with learning, with conversations that spark your soul, with goals that demand your energy. Lust is small compared to the vastness of your destiny. Remind yourself of that daily. When you are tempted, do not just say, "I must not give in." Say, "I am saving my fire for something greater." And that greater thing is your life. Do you not see? Every moment you say no, you are building a life others cannot touch. Every day you hold your fire, you are creating a future where your energy is pure, powerful, unstoppable. This is the universe's message to you. You are not weak. You are not broken. You are not a slave to lust. You are a keeper of sacred fire. And if you choose to hold it, to master it, to use it, you will rise into greatness. Let others be consumed by their impulses. Let others waste their nights. You will build. You will rise. You will destroy lust not by fear, but by purpose. So stand tall, breathe deep, guard your eyes, move your body, meditate, fast, build, and repeat. Do this and lust will shrink until it no longer rules you. Do this and your energy will burn so brightly that no shadow can reach you. Do this and your life will become a flame that lights the path for others. This is your time. This is your fight. This is your freedom. Remember, lust is smoke. But you are fire.